All right, y'all. So when we talk about this sneaker right here is gonna be one of those ones where I'm gonna tell you guys that I'm gonna say is gonna sell out. Just out of the
Yep.
gate, for the strength of this video, I'm gonna say that this sneaker will sell out. But this is gonna be a unique sellout because a lot of y'all don't like this sneaker.
Nope.
I'm hearing a lot of people give this sneaker some nicknames, and they some childish nicknames. Cause a lot of people say this is a childish colorway. Hey, I've heard y'all call this thing the Superman. I heard y'all call this thing Stewie. I've heard y'all call it the Toy Story. What up, Woody? Like I'm hearing so many different names when it comes to this colorway, and a lot of people are saying that this is a colorway that should have been for kids only, but nonetheless, 2014, 2016, I think this when this sneaker dropped. And hey, I'm gonna be honest with you. This thing went to the outlet. You know what I'm saying? I know some people that was able to pick this thing up for below retail. It did sell out in some areas, but nobody was really messing with this sneaker around that time. Today, we're going to be talking about whether or not the Kobe 8 Year of the Horse is going to sit or sell out. Man, this going to be a good one. Let's go. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Truth, and today we're gonna be doing another video where we're gonna be discussing if a sneaker gonna sit or sell out. And this is gonna be one that's been on my radar, but I'm gonna maneuver a little bit differently when it comes to copping this sneaker. But before we talk about this, make sure you guys go ahead and hit the subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. Hit that like button, hit the hype button, do all those great things. And I'm gonna keep this content coming. Now let's talk about this sneaker. All right, so out of the gate, let's go ahead and get this out of the way. Shout out to my dog, Uncle Chris. If you're not following him on IG, you should. These are the stock numbers. 8,500 on the sneakers app. In the grade school and the toddler size is even less. And they have a basketball that's only gonna be like 200 available or whatever. But regardless of the fact, even with these stock numbers, I'm gonna say that this sneaker will sell out on the sneakers app. But it's going to be a unique process when it comes to it. You have some other places that's going to be having it. Social Status, I'm a near, Feature, all those places that do the run fair. Their links will be down in my description section whenever I drop this video. They should be open and available for you to enter. Also, Foot Locker does have this sneaker. I don't see it on DSG anywhere or anything like that, but I have heard that if you walk into some of your DSGs, especially those flagship stores, that this sneaker should be available on Saturday when it released. Retail is $200. And a lot of people don't like this shoe. I'm gonna be honest with you. To me, it gives Superman vibes. I do like this colorway. This is one that I said that I wanted. Basing it off of the pre-sale of this sneaker, even though the stock numbers are under 10K, they're only 8,500 on the sneakers app. I'm leaning more towards the fact that this sneaker will sell out on the sneakers app, of course. But depending on your location, you might be able to walk into the store and get this shoe. And on the resale market, this sneaker will be very affordable. Yep. There is a Kobe that recently dropped at the end of 2025 that I think this sneaker is going to do the same numbers. Hold on, let me grab it. It's gonna be the Kobe 4 Barcelona joints. For those of you that do remember the sneaker, I think it was around like 10K, maybe a little bit less, the did drop of this sneaker. And it took a little while for this shoe to actually hit that 280, 290 mark. And even right now, my size, which is size 12, is right around 270 on the resale market. And that is pretty low when it comes to Kobe's. I've seen them drop for as low as 230, 240, and the retail was 200 for this sneaker. So I think that this is how this sneaker is gonna do, to be honest with you guys. I think over time that this sneaker will gain some resale value if you're in it for the resale thing. But for the most part, especially with just everything currently dropping right now in the market that we're starting to see for Kobe's, which is kind of like leveling out to where it's a buyer's market for people that actually want Kobe's, I do feel like that this sneaker will sell out, like I said. But if you're going to be trying to cop this sneaker later, maybe a month, two from now or something like that, or on the resale market, if you want it, you might just have to spend about 20, 30 extra bucks to get this sneaker to add to your collection. But y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think, man. Again, this sneaker is not going for much right now, pre-sale in my size. It's like 240, 250. Like I said, retail is 200, so that's going to be a determining factor as well. And I do think that if you go after this shoe, you put some footwork in, even on the release date, even outside of the sneakers app, you should be able to cop this sneaker and add it to your collection. But y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Again, this will be a sellout because it is a Kobe. I do think it's going to sell out. It definitely won't do like the Kobe 1 81-point joints. I just feel like y'all just don't respect that Kobe 1 at all. I don't think it's going to be like that. But this will eventually dry up. But I don't think it's going to sell out in all places as quick as some of you guys might be thinking. I'm testing the vibes out there. I don't feel like many people want this sneaker. But y'all comment down below and let me know. I will be adding this sneaker to my collection, so stay tuned for a detailed look of it. For all y'all that been rocking with your boy, I appreciate you. To all my new subscribers, thank you guys so much. Hit that hype button, hit that like button. And y'all know the sayings, man. Everything that we talk about, including these yearly hearts KOBES, just bait. With me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the